Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to this channel, Grafted Technology. In today's video, I will be showing you how to convert MP4 video file to MP3 audio file format. Alright, so in this video, for you to be able to convert an MP4 video to MP3, I did record a video here which I'm going to be playing shortly. Over the weekend I recorded this video. It's a music, someone who is playing a music. Alright, so I would like to convert this music into an MP3 file, where it's a video file. You will see it right now, so I'll just play it and then let it play to the end. It's about 30 seconds. So alright, so our God is the way maker. So I love that song. Just give this video a thumbs up if you do like the video. Give it a like if you also like that music. So back to what I'm talking about, converting this video into an MP3. So to do that, I'll take you straight to this website, which is the VideoLAN. Just open your browser and then type in the videolan.org. Once you're in this website, go straight and download. Click on the download VLC. So I'll be using the VLC media player to make my conversion. So the good thing about the VLC is that it's a free and open source cross-platform multimedia player and framework that plays most media files. All right, so it works in any kind of platform, Linux, Windows. Once you download the executable file, run it on your PC and you will have this stuff open up for you. So over here I'm going to be opening up that video file that I showed you right before. So I'll head to this top left hand side corner where I have the media tab. Alright, so I clicked on it. I'll go straight to where I have the convert/save and click on it. So you will see this dialog box come out. So what I will simply do here is to look for the video file that I want to extract the audio file from. So here I'll click on the add button. Then it will take me straight to where I can find that particular video. This is my video folder. So let's look for it. So this is the file Waymaker. So I'll click on that and click on open. Alright, so this is my source file. Here it's fine. So I'll go down to the next button there, click on the down arrow and click on the convert. So I can easily also use the shortcut by pressing on my keyboard Alt+O, and then that will be my convert. So once I click on that, the convert button, it brings up another dialog box. You can see there it's written convert. So the profile, the setting here, convert, that's what I want to do, so it's okay by me. Where I have the profile by the video for YouTube, so this tells me it's an MP4 file. So I'll go ahead and click on the down arrow, then search for MP3. So I'll just scroll through. You will see here, remember I want to convert to MP3 audio file. Alright, so I'll click on that and I'll go to the destination section. Destination file, meaning where would I want to save this particular file. So I'll click on the browse and choose, of course, the file name here. I'm gonna call it underscore MP3. So let me call this MP3. Okay, so waymaker underscore MP3. So I'll click on the save. So right here you would see the start button is now activated. I'll click on the start. Okay, so it has finished converting. So this is the file here, waymaker underscore MP3. So by me pointing at it, you will see it gives me item type MP3 audio file. So I can further show you that by right clicking on that MP3 file, go to properties, and here you would see where I have type of file MP3 audio file. All right, so I have successfully converted my MP4 file into MP3 audio file. So I'll just click on it and play so we would hear that music once again. Alright, so that is it in converting your MP4 file, especially if it's a music like this particular one that I just did. Right, you can see here it was a video, MP4 video, and then when I finished converting, I made it to become an MP3 by extracting the music out from the video file. Alright, so I hope you do like it. If this helped you, please, you should click the like button and put your comment in the comment section below. If you like the music as well, also click that like button. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to drop questions or comments on what kind of video you would like to see from my side. I'll see you in my next video for more tech tips like this. Bye.